Hi friends, how are you all? Now, going forward to our tarot class readings, we move to the card number 2 of the tarot card reading. The card number 2, the name of this card is the High Priestess. As you can see, priestess is related to priest. Priest means somebody who is very saint, somebody who is very spiritual, somebody who is very intellectual. But this card is not very aggressive, like the way the card number 1 of Magician was. Because Magician was a go getter type of card, a very strong personality, a very having all the resources, and it was a very short and yes card. But if we analyze the priestess card, which is little bit not of that high energy as the magician had, because though it's a feminine card, and it is a little bit, if we see the reading of this card, then the analysis will be whatever is your query, or whatever you want to know, it will be a bit 50-50. Okay, we cannot say that it is a negative card, but yes, it is something that it totally depends on the 50-50 chance. Okay, now let's start analyzing this card now. If we analyze the card, if you can see, there is a moon at the feet of this lady, and again there is a moon at the crown of this lady. So, if we talk about the moon energies are normally more connected to the feminine energies of a woman, right? Something like, if we talk about the moon phases, there is a eclipse, right? We never see that after 15 days the moon is full moon, and after 15 days the moon is again, it's completely it gets vanished, and then again it starts rising. Okay, and similarly, if we connect the moon with the tides in a sea, how it happens, sometimes there are very high tides and sometimes there are very low tides. So similarly, as we talk about the women, the female, the feminine energies, there is a lot of mood swings, and there is a lot of changes which happens, biological changes also happens in the body of a female, so it leads to a lot of more of a mood change, right? So this card is, if I talk about the personality of a person, suppose you were getting a reading done and you want to know about your boss, and if your boss is a lady, then this card is more attaching to her personality, because she is a woman who is having a bit of mood swings, you can say. At times she is very happy, and at times she can be really angry also, because of the effect of the moon on her feminine energies. But on the other hand, if you can see this tarot book in her hand, that also means that this lady is very intelligent as well. Okay, she is a very subtle lady, she is very intelligent lady, and she takes decisions very intelligently. But yes, there is also a reflection, if you can see the white and the black pillars, so there is a kind of positive and negative energies both connected to her. So overall, if in a reading, you're doing a reading, that means if you have to take a decision, or you have any kind of doubt or any type of query in your mind, so this will reflect that uh, you have to be not very go-getter type of thing. You have to take some time to analyze the situation, and it is, if I talk about the priest, see, the priests are what? They are the ones who do prayers, they are the ones who do rituals, they are the ones who do ceremonies in marriages, and they do pujas and rituals, right? So priests are very pious people, they are very spiritual and very pious people. So similarly, this lady is a very pure lady. She is a very pious person, which totally reflects also with the color of her gown, the dress she is wearing, which is of white color, you know. And I have told you earlier also, white is a color of piousness. It is a color of purity. It is also a color of spiritualism, right? And the moon on the crown of that lady, it reflects the intuition power. That means this lady has a very strong intuitive powers, you know, she has intuitive powers. But the veil, if you can see the veil on the back of this picture, it also reflects that she is little bit mysterious as well. It could be that the person you are thinking about, and if this kind of reading this card appears, it means that the person you're thinking about is little mysterious, because she likes to not disclose everything in one go, and there are certain hidden things, you know, which is with her only, and she is probably hiding something which is not very, you will not come to know initially. So there are little bit of hidden facts also. But overall she is a pious and spiritual person, but she is also a intellectual and clever person. And if you are doing a reading of someone and this type of card appears, that means it is a 50-50 chance. That means it is not 100% yes, because it has a positive and a negative thing, because there are little bit of challenges, and there are little bit of mood swings, so it's a 50-50 thing. So before taking any decision, you are advised to not to take the action, and just sit back and just think about it very thoroughly, completely, and then take the action. Because it is also reflective that yes, the decision which you're taking can 100%, it is not surety that it will lead to the success. It can lead to success, but it cannot also lead to success. It is a 50-50 chance of getting the complete success. But though it is not a negative card, it is a positive card only, but there is certain hidden things which you are not aware. It could be possible, whatever decision you want to take right now, you're feeling that this is the 100% he hai, and I want to go ahead with that. But it could be possible that there are certain hidden facts, there are certain hidden things which you are not aware about it. And in this card, the best advice is that it's all dominated by female energy. It's a feminine card. So you are and also the moon on the crown and the moon at her feet, it all reflects it. She's surrounded by the moon energy, so there will be a lot of emotions and lot of mood swings, and a lot of things are there. So you are advised to only follow your intuition power. Okay, but other hand, if you see this cross on the chest of this lady, it also reflects that she is pious lady. She is not having any bad thoughts about anybody in her life, but she works totally as per her intuition power only. Okay. And but you have to be a bit extra careful, because whenever the emotional angle comes to the things, then things are a little haywire. Because emotions are something that out of the emotional outburst, people tend to do certain mistakes which they regret later on. So the advice is that you have to be very careful about your emotional things. You have to control your emotions, because right now you might be a man, you might be a female, you might be a woman, in which this card can come. So if you are a male member, a male person, and this type of card is coming to your reading, That means that you are getting bit emotional about the things, and you are thinking with emotions. आप बहुत emotional हो रहे हो, and you are not thinking with your mind. Okay, because only you're not applying your intuition to the things, but you're relying on the emotions. So it could be that you're taking some decision but being very emotional about it. So the advice for this card is that whenever you are going to take any decision or you want to find any answer, the lesson, or you can say the guidance or the tip on this card is that you have to be very very practical. So you have to think very practically when are you planning to take any type of step, and not totally go on the emotional ground. And in this thing, the best thing will be that being spiritual, seeking help from God and listening to your intuition will be very helpful. And other thing is that this is also a very subtle card. Subtle card means if there is some doubt whether you need to do this or you need not do this, so that means you cannot take the immediate action. You have to wait for some time, you have to observe that thing for some time, then to take the next action. As previously the magician card was just it was a perfect card. It's just a time to take action and go ahead with that, like just like do it right now types. But over here this card is more of being taking no action. That means if you're planning to join a new job, if you're planning to do a new business venture, if you're planning to get married to a person, this card is showing you that you have to be a very very subtle person. You don't have to take any action right now. It could be that your decision is can be good also, as well it can be a bad decision also. So you have to take some time to think about it thoroughly, to think about it completely before you land up taking any decision. Because right now, being the moon is also related to the love relationships, the moods and the attachments to people, so as the phases of the moons, they keep on changing. Likewise, there are certain changes which going to happen. So you have to be a very patient and a very subtle person, and not take any action in like out of emotions, or maybe you take any rash actions or any rash decisions. So this is a card of understanding the inner spiritualism, the inner peace of mind, the inner peace of oneself. As the cross on the heart, it is associated with the heart, the intuition. Sometimes we think that mind is saying something else, but my heart is saying something else. So whom should I listen? So if this card comes, that it means that you have to listen to your heart, you have to listen to your intuition, but you also need to be careful about not landing up taking any decisions right now uh, totally in the influence of the emotions. So this is the main thing which you need to balance. Because as we see the white pillar and the black pillar, so there are a lot of do's and don'ts and yes and no, and it's a combination of things. So it is not 100% yes, but yes, it is not 100% no also as well. So you have to be a little bit balanced between these two emotions. You really have to control your emotions. And if this card is coming for your boss or your colleague or some of your friends, or maybe your fiance or your life partner, that also means that even if the partner is a male or a female, this person is having a lot of feminine qualities. That means the person you want to marry or the person you want to date, he might be a male person, but that means that he is a very emotional person. He is totally inclined by the moon. So though he's a man, but he's having all the feminine quality of a female. Now, what are the female qualities? Female qualities are they very easily get emotional. Though males also do get emotional, but they are not in the situation to show the emotions to the world. Usually they keep their emotions to themselves only. But if you are getting the reading of this card related to some male person, that means this person is not totally behaving like a man, or a masculine qualities is not there, but he is having more of a female qualities, more of a feminine qualities. Feminine quality means that he is very soft hearted, he is very emotional, and he get upset very easily, so he has lot of mood swings. So if you are dealing with this person, then you have to be very 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 careful. You have to be extra cautious, because if person is very emotional, then the person gets hurt very easily. So you have to be very careful that you do not do anything, or do not use any such kind of words for that person, so he gets hurt badly, because he is already he is very pious person. So usually what happens when people are very pious and they are very emotional types, they are very pure, basically they are very pure souls, so they get hurt very badly, and very quickly they get hurt with any of your words. So that is also an indication that if you are getting this card in your reading, and this is related to any situation or any person, then you have to be very very cautious. You have to be very very extra careful that you don't land up hurting the other person emotions, because he's already having a very feminine type of quality. So he might not be able to take things in a hard way. So you also have to be very polite and very subtle towards a person. But on the other hand, the white dress also reflect that this person is a very pious person. It is not that he is always creating an emotional drama to get attention from you, but it is about that he is a very pure soul. Whatever is there inside him, on his heart, or whatever is there inside, he is very like outside only, he's outside, inside he's the same. But the other challenge of this is that this person is also very reserved. Okay, because at the veil on the back reflects that mm, he is not very interactive. हो सकता है, it could be possible that when you are looking at the person, you cannot make out that this person can be so emotional and so easily hurt. But because he is the type of person that who does not like to express so soon, and he might not be very expressive person. It could be that there are many hidden things in his heart which he is not able to tell you, or he is not able to say it out, because he is also a very subtle and a very reserved nature person, right? So that means if you are in a relationship with somebody and this card is coming for that person, maybe she's a girl or she's a boy, that means you have to be very very careful. It could be possible that whatever is there is in her heart, she will not express it to you, because she is a secretive nature person. Because sometimes some people are there in this world who are of very secretive nature. They don't like to discuss, they don't like to disclose things so easily, and they like to keep things to themselves only. So this also reflects the secretive nature of the person. But she is very emotional also as well, so you have to be very very careful. It could be there are certain things which she wants to share with you, which it could be a man also, he wants to tell this to his life partner or his girlfriend or his family or his friends, but he is of that nature that he is not able to express himself so well. And now the fruits on the back of this lady, if you can see these fruits on the back of this lady, it also reflects the fertility of a woman. That means it's a fertility aspects. that if you are going for a marriage proposal and you want to go ahead for this some venture, that means she's a very it the relationship will be good because it reflects the fertility, feminine qualities and fertility of the person. So it's overall it will be a good match, it will be a good match, but um, again you have to be extra cautious if you're planning to take head with this type of personality, because the people who are very emotional and they get hurt very emotionally very easily, it is at times very difficult to control and to understand them completely, because you have to be just very cautious. And the another the outcome is that if you are planning to take action, or if you're planning to go ahead with any type of relationship, or you're planning to do something, then it is something like which is no action card. That means right now you don't have to take any action on this. You simply need to wait for some time. That means you need to give some time to this relationship. You need to give time to that person to completely understand the person, that what is the psyche of that person, because once this person will be spending some time with you for some time, then this person will become comfortable, and then he or she might will be able to open up in front of you and will be able to express himself or herself completely, which will help you both to have a good bonding, a good relationship and a good bond, because then you will be able to understand her emotions and you will be able to handle her well. Or it could be your husband, or it could be your child, it could be your boss, it could be anyone. So you will be able to understand the person's emotions well, and then you will be able to handle that person right, and it could be that right now you think that okay, this person is looking a very strong person, is a very go-getter type of person, but no, this person is not so go-getter type of person. He is a very emotional person, so he does not like to be very aggressive, or don't like to do things so quickly and want to take their own sweet time. Okay, so you have to be very very careful if you're dealing if you're getting this card in your reading, and you have to see the good and the bads of that thing. And it is also that in a relationship there is a little switch, like as I told you, this card is having two moons, one is on the crown of this lady and one at the feet of that lady. That means the moon phases are changing, so it could be switch. That means at times you feel the things are going very good in the relationship, and at times you feel the things are not going good in relationship because of the too much of the variation of the swing, because this is totally depending on the situation of the moon. Because at times when the moon is it is at the it is also at the like high tides are coming in the sea when there is a full moon, and sometimes the water gets impacted due to the different phases of moon. So similarly in the relationships also there could be some ups and downs. Okay, so if you are dating someone, or you planning to date someone, or you planning to marry somebody, and this kind of card is coming to your reading, that means you have to be very prepared that there will be some challenges, and it is not 100% thing that we recommend you to go ahead with this, because it could be possible that at times things could be very good and at times things could be not good. But the practical approach is that you have to think with your intuition power. Basically you have to think that whatever you feel with your heart is the right judgment. It could also reflect that at times people are telling you to do this, or some people are telling you to do that, and sometimes it happens that in a situation we get trapped in our life, that a lot of people are there who are advising us to do different things, but we don't understand, okay, what I need to do, what is the best for me. So if this card is coming and you having any type of query or any kind of doubt, so straight away you can just say that with this card you have to just rely on your intuition. The intuition power is the best power which we have inside us, and with the intuition power we will be able to understand and judge that what is the good and what is the bad of the situation, right? So accordingly the intuition power is what will guide you in the long run. So with the intuition power you will be able to take it forward and you will be able to judge the things thoroughly. So that means you have to not take the action immediately and not go by what people are saying to you about these things, about the situation or about any person. Suppose it could be that somebody is telling you about some other person, that this person is like that. So don't go by what other person is saying. The outcome of this card is that you have to think about it with your complete intuition power, right? आपको अपनी intuition power को चलाना है. With your strong intuition power you will be able to judge yourself well, and with the intuition power only you will be able to find the answer. But immediately you cannot take any action. You have to give it some time to come to the conclusion. Okay. All right. So I hope this card is well explained, and now whenever you get this reading in your card, you will be able to understand that what is the message of this card. Okay. So friends, if you have liked my video, please do like, subscribe and share this video, and we will meet very soon in my next video with the another tarot card reading. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.